Alright guys, so today as you see here we have a leaking outdoor spigot or faucet, and today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly fix this problem. I'm going to show you all the tools that you need, how to do this, and we can do this in a couple minutes here. So the first thing that we need to do is go in the house and turn off the main water. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright guys, so here's our main water source, which is under our stairs in the basement. We're just going to go ahead and turn this off. Alright, so now the water is off to the main of the house, so it should be good for outside. Had to put the camera down, I couldn't get in there with all the junk that we have underneath the stairs here, so let's go back outside. Alright, all you should need is a crescent wrench and a pipe wrench or any type of wrench to loosen this up. My crescent wrench was not easy accessible, so I'm just using a vice grip. But you want to make sure that you grab the stem here, because you don't want to twist anything in the house. You don't want to mess up any of your plumbing. So just grab here, and then we're just going to loosen this up. Go ahead and take it off now. Alright, so there we have it. Let's go inside the garage and I'm going to show you how to fix this now. Alright guys, so here's what we just took out of the spigot. And as you can see, it has a 12-inch shaft here. And what that is for the anti-frost. Since I live in a cold climate, this goes inside the house, so when you turn off the faucet, the water line doesn't freeze. And what we're going to be fixing is, you can see on the back here, there's this washer. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take this washer off. As you can see, it's like really pancaked in there. I don't know if I get the focus, but that's damaged, so it's allowing the water to go through. Now what I did is I went on to Amazon and I bought this pack of rubber washers. Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to take this off and find the correct one in here, and then I'm just going to replace the two. And I'm going to leave a link below in the comments to show you where you can get these packets, so you can easily have these around the house and you can easily fix this for yourself. So let's go ahead and get this opened and get that washer off. Alright, so now we have this. I'm going to go ahead and just grab a Phillips screwdriver and go ahead and take this off. Alright, we have this off. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this off with a razor blade, just so I don't damage it, because I want to use it to reference the new ones. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so I have a little razor blade here, then I'm just going to pop this off. As you can see, this thing is really damaged and flattened here. I mean, it's been in there for almost 20 years, so let's go ahead and find the replacement and then get this all changed up for you. Alright guys, so I found the new one here, and all I did is simply go through the box that I bought here, this box, and just went through each one with the old one and kind of measured it up. Now on the bottom of this, there's a little like ridge there, so what we're going to do, so we're just going to go ahead and put this in there. Let me get that in there for you. Alright, so now I got that in there. And then all we're going to do is we're going to take the screw. I'm just going to put the screw back in. Just go ahead and tighten that in there. Like so. And let's go back out and put this back in. Alright guys, so we're back outside. So now we have the new washer on there. I'm going to go ahead and put this back in. we go. She's all done. Now what we're gonna go do is turn back on the. All right, let's get the water back on. There we go. Water's back on. Let's go check her out outside. All right, guys. There you go. She's all fixed. Let's go and turn the water on and turn her off. And there we go. She's all done. So like I said, nice, quick, easy fix that you could definitely do by yourself. I'll leave the link below in the comment box so you can see where I got the washers to go ahead and pick up. I did use some PB Blaster, which I forgot to put in there. And all I did is basically spray that around the nut to let that penetrate, to make it a little bit easier to get that on and off. But like I said, if you have any questions, concerns, leave some comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. But something you can easily do at home without calling a plumber and having to worry about spending all that money just to have them do the same thing that you could do at home for less than $10. Thanks so much, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.